Hi, I'm Batu from AGRONN Simulation Technologies. In this video, we will be showing you how to do the calibration on your AGRONN yoke system.
Firstly, while holding the mic button down, plug in your yoke system. This will activate the calibration mode. You will notice that the X-Wishes logo has started to blink. Now start by pushing the yoke system to the far end and pull it back a centimeter or 1/3 of an inch to give it some space. While holding that position, turn the yoke to the number 10 on the left hand side and press the mic button. You should notice that the X-Wishes logo has started to blink in a different pace. Next, recenter the yoke and press the mic button again. You will again notice that the X-Wishes logo has changed its blinking pace. Now pull the yoke system towards yourself to the far end and give it a centimeter or 1/3 of an inch of space. And lastly, while holding that position, turn the yoke to the number 10 on the right hand side and press the mic button. You should now notice that the X-Wishes logo has stopped blinking. That means your calibration is complete. We wish you a pleasant time with your AGRONN yoke system.